Welcome to this tutorial on managing default settings at the location level. In this video, we'll guide you through customizing invoices, labor rates, taxation, and disclaimers for a location. First, let's customize some basic information like the location's address and phone number. This information will be used to populate fields in the forms generated by this location. Next, let's customize the invoice logo. To set this up, switch to Salesforce Classic Mode. Click on the plus sign to see all tabs and go to Documents. If you want to customize the invoice logo for all locations, in the Application Documents folder, click Invoice Logo. Click Replace Document. Upload your logo in GIF or JPEG format and click Replace Document. If you would like to customize the invoice logo for just this location, go back to the Application Documents folder and click New Document. Choose your file and label it. Back in the location's business office settings, enter the file's name in Logo Name. The new logo will be replaced in all the relevant forms. Now let's configure service labor rates. You can enter default labor rates for customer pay, internal, and warranty. You can also enter a default labor cost, which will be the technician's cost of labor hours in actual time entry for service job lines. If a technician has their own hourly rate, it will replace the default labor cost. The Deal Default Labor Rate will set the standard amount to show for labor added as an aftermarket item. Let's review taxation settings. Here you can configure default settings like your state and federal tax IDs. You can select default taxation for vehicles, conversion, labor, parts, sublet, and miscellaneous charges. This defines whether invoices will mark these items as taxable by default, but they can always be updated on any particular invoice. Rental agreements are the only invoice type that considers the local tax rate and tax local rental addition. Deals, repairs, and parts invoice all use a tax zone. Finally, disclaimers can be added to service repair orders, service estimates, and parts invoices for clarity and transparency. These disclaimers will appear on the respective documents when printed. And that's how you manage default settings at the location level. Thanks for watching.